Once pump control has been configured on the SITRANS LT500, we can set up the pump exercise function. Under the Setup menu and Application, within Pump Control, we can enable the pump exercise guard, which ensures that we will not exercise the pumps below a certain value. In this case, let's say anything less than 0.5 meters, and we won't turn on pump exercise. And we can enable pump 1 to be exercised, and what the interval is. So anywhere between 1,000 hours, if the pump runs, exercise will not engage. If the pumps have not run between 1,000 hours, we will exercise that pump and run it for a certain duration. In this case, 5 minutes. And that's easy as it is. We can set up pump exercise for any of the pumps that we've configured for pump control.